Today we want to complete the other aspect of the polygon. So today we are going to tackle how to find the interior angle of a regular polygon. The last time we met, we learned how to find the sum of the interior angles. And we said that the sum of the interior angles is equal to the number of triangles by 180. So we said the S was for the sum of the interior angles, the N was for the side. Now, I have these people, Eric, Mike, John. On their journey home, Eric came across 5 Ghana cedis. John also came across 3 Ghana cedis. Michael also came across 1 Ghana cedi. These 3 people decided to share their money equally. So, what do you think would be the best way for these people to share their money equally? I think by adding all of them and dividing by number of people they are to do the amount each person gets. We are going to use the same ideology to find the interior angle, meaning one angle of a regular polygon. So once we know that when we add all the angles, this is the formula. So if I want 1, that is the interior angle, then per this analogy, we can add all their money and divide by the number of people. Then if you want 1 side of the interior angle, then let's add, and we said that one is what we call the sum, and divide by the number of sides. So like I said, the interior angle of a regular polygon will be n minus 2 by 180, which is the sum divided by n. So from here, we can see that we have 2 variables. The I for the interior angle, we are talking of only 1. N is the number of sides. So based on the question, one of these variables will be given. So when they say find the interior angle, they are supposed to give us the number of sides. When they say find the number of sides, they are supposed to give us the interior angle. So this is the formula for finding the interior angle of a regular polygon. We find the sum of them and divide by the number of sides. We can get the interior angle. Okay, now let's look at some of the questions we have here. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 108. How many sides has the polygon? So we want to try solving them. So the interior angle, we are talking of 1. So meaning, for me to get 1, it's going to be the number of side by 180, which is the sum of the interior angles, and we divide it by the number of side. So from this question, we are supposed to know whether the 108 here is for the interior angle or is for the number of side. Per the question, the interior angle was mentioned, and they said is 108, meaning the I, which is my interior angle, is rather 108. And they said we should find the number of sides, meaning n was not given. So I can do my cross multiplication since I know all the whole numbers are over 1. So I'll get n minus 2 by 180 is equal to 108n. The 108 multiply the n, and this one multiply that. So I get 180n minus 360 is equal to 108n. Then from here, we can group terms. So I have negative 360 equal to 108n minus 180n. I have my negative 360. 108n minus 180n gives me negative 72n. For me to find the number of sides, I just have to divide both sides by negative 72. I divide this side by negative 72, negative 72. 5n. Therefore, I have n is equal to 5 sides. So let's try the second question also. We have to analyze and know whether this 120 is for the size or is for the interior angle. So all the clues we need are in the question. So I have the interior angle of a regular polygon is 120. So is means the name mentioned there was interior angle. So I can see that now my I is 120. So once the I is given, meaning the n is what we are looking for. So I have n minus 2 times 180 all over n. I do my cross multiplication. I have my 120n is equal to n minus 2 by 180. So I'll get 120n equal to 180n minus 360. What then do? I group my terms. So I have my 120n minus 180n equal to negative 360. So 120n minus give me negative 60n equal to negative 360. I divide both sides by negative 60 because I want n. So my n will be equal to 6. Therefore, n is equal to 6 sides. Now, we want to tackle the next question. Let's see. But the next question is the third question. I am not going to work. You people are going to try. So, how many sides? We are now going to look for n. Has a regular polygon whose interior is 156. So meaning that this 156 is our I, which is the interior. So we are looking out for n. So per the formula, we saw only two variables, interior and size. So always they are supposed to give us one in the question for us to find the other. Thank you.